Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Guides. Today, we're diving into a straightforward tutorial on how to withdraw your Cardano, ADA, from Exmo to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking to switch exchanges, this step-by-step process will make it easy and secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Binance. Double-check that your Cardano is in your Exmo wallet and that you've enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, on both platforms for added security. This helps protect your assets from any potential risks. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section and select your Cardano, ADA, balance. You'll see an option for withdrawal. Click on that to begin. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial, so pay close attention. Copy your Binance Cardano wallet address from the Binance app or website. Remember, Cardano uses the ADA network, so ensure you're selecting the correct network type to avoid any errors or lost funds. In the withdrawal form on Exmo, paste the Binance wallet address, specify the amount of ADA you want to withdraw, and review any network fees. These fees can vary based on blockchain congestion, so it's smart to check them beforehand to avoid surprises. Before you hit confirm, verify everything twice. Make sure the address is correct. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you're confident, confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will start processing. Now, switch over to Binance. Head to your wallet section and select Cardano. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the funds to appear, depending on network traffic. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Cardano Scan. And there you have it. Your Cardano is now safely in your Binance wallet. Always remember to stay vigilant with your crypto. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage and keep up with the latest exchange updates. If this guide helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading in 2025.